Good morning, everybody. Today is a day that I leave for Korea. But yeah, we are off to the airport now. Okay, so right now I am waiting at the business lounge eating my cup noodles. And I just want to take a moment and thank my brother for letting me steal all his mileage so that I can fly business. But one of my biggest fears is flying. So usually I have like one big nervous breakdown before I fly. I get motion sickness. I run to the bathroom like every 30 minutes to throw up. So I just got home and I am so exhausted. I'm really hungry, but I'm super nauseous that I don't really have an appetite. So, and I'm also just like really tired to find food right now, so I'm just in bed and I'm so tired. It is currently 3 a.m. here and I'm super jet lagged. So I just went down to the convenience store to get kimbap because I couldn't eat anything last night when I got in. I also picked up some packages. Shall we open some packages while we're here? This room is so messy. I have to clean everything. I'm doing the laundry. Oh wait, my ramen. This is spam kimchi kimbap. I used to eat this a lot at school. But I cooked it for too long. Peel it open like this. I legit didn't bring any clothes because the only clothes that I really had back in California were for warm weather. Let me show you all the clothes that I brought. 3 sweaters. That's it. And everything else is like shoes and makeup. I ordered some things on Kooring and I shipped it over to Korea. I'm gonna try them on, just not now because my place is so dirty. I'm just gonna insert the footage now. I got this basic long sleeve knit. I really like the neckline. Also, to be in trend with the leopard print, I got this skirt. I'd probably wear like black sheer tights with these. I also picked up this striped sweater. It's pretty basic. I just wanted to stock up on some more sweaters. I love how big this trench coat is. I can wear like a sweater underneath, a hoodie even. So yeah. So right now I'm organizing this place because it is a complete mess. This really drives me insane. The laundry is done, so I gotta hang this up. It's now 8 a.m. and I am starving. It's freezing outside, so I have to wear my padding jacket. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Just got home. I'm watching a drama on my iMac. Excuse the mess. I still haven't gotten around to cleaning this part of the house. I don't know if it's new, but it's new on Netflix. It's called The Third Charm. I'm so not used to the portions here in Korea. Good morning everyone, and today is a new day. The weather's really cold, but there's a nice breeze. I have the windows open right now just so I can get some circulation in this room. Because this place is pretty small, there's not that much storage space, so I was playing Tetris half the day trying to fit everything and organizing everything. So I have here the closet. That's another clothing rack that I use for laundry. I don't know if this is a tip, but this works the best for me. I hate doing the laundry and it just takes so much time because we don't have dryers here. So what I like to do is once I finish washing the clothes, I just hang it up on the hangers and I just put it on a rack like this for it to dry. And then once it's all dry, I just take the hangers and put it into my closet. I have my iMac here and I have a TV here. I don't really use the TV, I just use this computer. This place is especially cluttered, like this whole mess, because I went from living in a 2-room apartment to like a little studio. Yeah, I need to go through a lot of this stuff and throw things out that I don't need. I want to start off with cleaning my place, and then later I have to do some errands.
지난번에 어울리지도 않게 짊어지는
It's a bit cleaner down here now. I took out the blue box, got rid of it, and now it looks a lot better. Now I'm going to take a shower. You guys know I love peeling pads. It's my favorite way to exfoliate. I picked up a new one, loved it, thought I might share it with you guys. It's called Newly BHA PHA 5.5 peeling pad. The product is great, the price is great, and that's what honestly makes me so happy. So the peeling pad is already soaked with toner, so I just go in directly with this after I cleanse my face. I know a lot of people don't exfoliate because it's just too rough on the skin and sometimes it's a bit too drying. This one isn't like that at all. It actually moisturizes your skin as well. I can see such a big difference when I use this and I don't, and it really shows when I'm about to put on my makeup. I use this morning and night. I feel like in the morning it really just helps my skin absorb moisturizer so much better, and it makes my makeup just glide onto my skin. And when I use it at night, it really just melts all the gunk that's like stuck inside my pores. Also, I love using these on my legs. I deal with chicken skin, so it's really important that I exfoliate, and these are such good exfoliators for that as well. Like, my skin right now is just so sensitive right now from all this traveling and my skin adjusting to the weather change and new environment. So I'm making sure that I'm using the right products for my skin. Even my scalp is so dry. I'm going to probably make an appointment soon to get a scalp treatment. I am now at the market trying to buy some ingredients for spaghetti. This is a sauce that I will be using for my pasta. I bought a steak and I forgot what this is called, but this makes your laundry smell good. Okay, these cans are impossible to open, so let me see if I'm successful today. Oh my god. god, I can't. I don't know why they make these cans so hard to open. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Does this mean I won't be able to eat pasta today? Oh, got it. Ooh! Nice. So good.